Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be washing this wig. We're going to get it from looking like this to it looking like this. And yes, we're gonna see more videos about my business, Beautician, as you can see on the screens. But in today's video, we're gonna focus on today's video. In today's video, we're going to learn how to wash your own wig from home. The products that I'm going to be using is mainly products. If you're in South Africa, it's very cheap and affordable for you to use and wash your wigs and get your wig easily and clean. As you can see, the first shampoo that I used for my wig is the aquamarine shampoo. A lot of people have their own. Some people use Sunlight and other soaps, but I would recommend that because that works for me. Firstly, I get my lukewarm water, and as you guys can see there, I put in the soap and let it soak a bit while I get the wig ready. As you guys can see, the wig is in a very bad condition. I'm guessing my client used this wig for more than 4 times in a row without washing it. But that's why she came to me to wash it, because today I'm going to wash it for her. And yes, as you guys can see, as I'm dipping it into the water, I'm holding it on the line that is already there on the wig, and I'm dipping it in just to keep it in structure as I wash it, so it doesn't get too tangled for me to be able to, comb it afterwards or whilst I'm washing it. And just before you put the wig into the water, try to comb it. I think in this video, before I put the wig in the soap, into the shampoo, I did not comb it properly first, and as you guys can see, it's a bit really tangled. But in situations like that, you just have to use a bigger comb and get it gently combed so that it can get detangled. Yeah. And yes, that water, as you guys saw, was very dirty, but this is my second water after washing and combing, and it's still another lukewarm water, but as you can see, it's clean. And we're gonna just rinse it, try to shake it a bit more into the water and make sure that it's rinsing off the dirty cells and dirty. As you guys can see, the old glue from the wig lace is getting softer, and that is why I recommend that shampoo that I showed you guys, because it actually got it softer without me using a comb or a brush or a towel to scrape it off. It was already getting softer and much better for me to just maybe scrape it a little bit, as you guys saw there on the lace. And yeah, so I'm just trying to comb it a bit more, and as you guys can see, it's now answering to the comb. It's not tangled, it's actually moving. And then after this, I'm going to be doing the conditioning, and that's the most important step of just after washing the wig, before you put it out to get dry. And as you guys can see, I just noticed a little bit more glue that had been stuck there, and I just had to you can use a small brush, or you can use a towel, or you can use just something that can easily take it out without destroying the lace of the wig. Yeah, if you guys are finding this video very helpful for you, don't forget to share to other people so that they can also learn how to wash. And now I'm going in with my conditioner from the same aquamarine company. It's not sponsored, it just worked for me, so I thought of really sharing it. So you guys can see, I just put in the conditioner, and before I put my wig in, I'm going to let it comb it so it's like not tangled, and then I'm just going to put the wig gently inside, and then I'll just tap it and just try to get the conditioner in as much as I can. And then after this, I'm going to let it stay, and I'll put my timer on my phone, on my iPad, for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll just find something else to do, obviously, and then I'll wait for the timer. As you guys can see, my alarm went off, my timer went off, and I'm sure you guys can notice the difference now from when I left it and now that I am back. And remember, the water is still lukewarm. All the water I use is lukewarm, just to, you know, make the wig more comfortable with what I'm trying to use it to do with the washing and everything. As you guys can see, it's now looking silky, and you can see the water is not anymore dirty like the way it was in the beginning or in the rinsing part. And yeah, I just use my comb to, you know, dry it. And on this day, unfortunately for me, it was raining, but the idea is after washing you have to put it outside so the wig gets dry. Obviously you can hang it on something that can easily make it get dry properly in and out. But unfortunately for me, my that day was raining, so it's raining, so I had to make a plan. I just put it in the house and I just let it sit there until it gets dry on its own. I really hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I just pray that after you watching this video, you'll be able to, you know, wash your own wig from home, either a lace wig or a non-lace wig, and get it looking this clean. You guys can see the lace is already clean. I'm still going to do the ironing and everything, but I'm so happy with the progress, and I'm sure you guys are also happy with your progress, with how the wig is looking. And yes, from here I'm going to, you know, comb it out, and you guys can see the wig is still looking healthy and everything. The motive is, the first important thing that you should do is always remember to comb the wig out. Even while you're washing it, always make sure it's remaining straight, it's not tangled. Always comb the wig out. And right now, as you guys can see, I'm about to iron the wig, and we're just gonna iron it and get it as straight as we can. You can also use some conditioning oil that is preferable for you, just to make it look more silky and make it more clean and smell good. I will be using another, you guys are going to see me using some, like there's this one oil that I have that really helps make the wig to shine and smell really nice. But you guys can just use what works for you and what is good for you. Any way that you can get at the cosmetic stores. If you're in South Africa, you can go to the cosmetic stores and you get the good ones there. But yeah, and while you're ironing your wig, you can also like part them into different seasoning, so you can be able to iron it properly from in and out, so that when you are installing it or you're wearing it, it's not going to look too full. It's just going to be at its right volume for you to wear it. And yeah guys, as you guys can see, I'm using the oil that I talked to you guys about, and it's going to make it shine and much easier to iron out, and the results are going to be really good and beautiful. But yeah guys, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share, don't forget to, you know, comment down what you think about the process, and we're going to see the results soon. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos from my business. I'm going to be sharing a lot of tips. As you guys, some of you have already seen from my shorts, I've been posting the nails video. Soon I'll be posting more about them, more about tutorials. But as for now, stay tuned for more tutorials and stay tuned for more of my business, V Beauties. And if you need to do any bookings, don't forget to check on the description here on my channel or on my profile. Anyway, you'll get me on TikTok and anyway for my business, to know more about my business. And there's also really good videos for you to check out here on my channel, so don't forget to do so. And yeah guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a huge difference. I'm done with the ironing, and this is my wig. My client's wig is ready for delivery. It's ready for her to collect, and yeah, it's in good condition. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Love you all loads. I love you all, but God loves you all way more. Don't forget that.
What did I do to deserve you? Don't even know what I did. Been praying on this since a kid. I guess it's just luck if you say